Yo, y'all niggas already know what it is, man. Strong Island representative. It's your boy Tips, you know what I mean? Here with my, you already know. We ain't even gotta
say no names,
you know
man. But I'm gonna say, anyways, Prince Weechi, aka Still Your Girl, aka We Bangin', aka Tip Top, man, aka Zulu fucking Nation, man.
Yo, you already know what it is. Free Money Joe. Shout out to everybody in the 516. Shout out to everybody in the 631.
Matter of fact,
we definitely here.
Free Bell, free Thugger, free the homies, man, the real niggas.
You know we gonna rap for everybody that's locked down. Free Chris, you know what I mean?
Nassau and Suffolk, they love it.
But I'm about to give y'all niggas something. Y'all niggas, cause I know y'all niggas wanna hear something from your boy. So let me drop something like this. Let me talk to him. Okay. Staring out the window, thinking about old days, trying to get rid of the white girl like OJ. Long days in the cell, got a nigga going crazy, aggravated like a parent when their child don't behave. Stuck in my ways, it's hard to make a change, feeling like a ball player about to charge into the game. Honestly, I'm insane, but I know how to stay sane. Seen too many niggas fall, I gotta maintain. The top is the target, and I'm about to take aim. I'm sleeping on your tracks like I hopped on a late train. Young with money, but I ain't Wayne. Your life is an illusion, David Blaine. You say you bang, bro. We don't believe you cause you lame, bro. All you do is jerk off the bang bros. I'm in game mode, I can't wait no more. Whoever got the crown on their head, I'ma take it off. My game face on, I waited too long. I was banging back when you was getting your school on. I'm not saying that's wrong, but what's the hardcore act for? Don't sleep cause you can get what you asked for. The hood is like a jungle, anybody could be prey, so I pray. Never thought that I would see the day that we put Tiara to lay. Rest in peace. We go back since the 5th grade. I rhyme like prison, so my pen is full of pain. Niggas going to court, sitting in the pen full of pain. If you didn't get that, then we probably ain't the same. Never poly with lames, I'm real and only stand by the same. Huh? Niggas know how we do, man. That's light. Anybody that know what I do, know how I do, know that's light. You already know, GTH, nigga. Still tatted on me, baby.
You already?
Yeah.
Loyalty.
Free Genius, what's good, my nigga? Free Genius.
I try to tell him, man, why you trying to front in the game? You a rookie, nigga. So if you stunt, I'ma eat your cookies, nigga. Went upstate, lost weight in the box. Knuckle game great, hit like an ape in our box. The trait I will pop, leave you laid in the box. My bros like stop for law. I'm making my salats, then I pray to Allah. Shake the jakes on the block. If a nigga act hard, he catch 8 to the top. 808 be the block, and I'll tip him with the chopper. Swag so proper. Oh, hold on. Still going.
Let's get it.
Since I've been making the guap, niggas wanna plot. So when I'm dumping them shots, I'm taking off your top. Come through missing that top. So they wanna watch. Nigga, man, the price of the watch. I can ball blocks, get it all straight from the dot. Then unload the docks, leaning so smooth in the drop. I send a warning shot. Fishing while I'm whipping the rocks. Nigga, the boiling pot. Put a little cut to the chop, then watch the oil drop. People love me cause I order a lot. Then I soil the block with all sorts of the crop. Birds. I send shots, then they choke them out. Dick in your mouth, so fuck what you talking about. The Southside TTB is what I'm talking about. My Zulu militant blade fight, hawk them out. Any other problems, I suggest you talk it out. Cause you don't want that murder out. Nigga, bring that little burner out. Homicides on any side that don't talk what we talking about. Planting those seeds now, looking with the coffee sprout. Nigga.
You already know what it is, man.
Green like
Shout
that
out to everybody in Strong Island, man. You know how we fucking do it, my nigga. Y'all see the PR flag. I ain't Puerto Rican, but my son is, nigga.
You already.
But Dominican and black, you already know what the fuck it is, nigga.
You already. Step your fucking swag up, nigga. I'm taking all y'all bitches. It's not fun no more. You already, you know what I'm saying?
Cut that. We out of here.